When assembling your Koala Studio, there are several accessory options available depending on the creative center you've chosen. One feature that comes standard with your Koala Studio Creative Center is the Outback leaf. Before you install, ensure the black plastic locks are turned away from the hinge to prevent any interference when installing the leaf. Align the center gravity hinge with the clips on your Outback leaf. The others should easily hook on as well. Once the Outback leaf is hooked on the hinges, lift up and swing the gate legs beneath to support the leaf. Turn the black clips at the hinge to lock it in place. Be sure to unlock these clips whenever you want to fold down your Outback leaf. If you have the maker or embroidery center, you will have a thread closet on the right side of your studio. Install the plastic notion shelves by lining up the indentions on the shelves with the supports on the wall of the thread closet. Gently push into place. These are great for storing bobbins, snips or scissors, needles, and more. If your thread spools have a larger opening for the pin, plastic expanders are included for each spool pin to prevent your spool from moving around too much. These are not necessary for all spool types. If you have a maker center, you have 2 included shelves you can install to hold notions, fabric, and more. Press metal hooks in line with where you want the shelf to sit, making sure they are even. Flip the shelf board so the beveled edge is facing forward and place the shelf onto the hooks. Repeat at a different level for your remaining shelf. It is important to install these from the bottom up to make this an easy, efficient process. These accessory features are one of the many things that make Koala Studios such a great sewing furniture brand. If you have any further questions about accessory installation, please reach out to your Koala retailer.